Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your Binance wallet address step by step in a very simple and easy way. First, open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account properly. Once the app opens, you'll see the main home screen. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Assets option. This section shows all your cryptocurrency holdings. At the top right corner, you'll see a question mark icon with a book. Tap on it to proceed to the next options. Next, tap on Deposit. This option allows you to receive crypto into your wallet. Now you'll see a list of different coins. Select the coin you want to copy the wallet address for. For example, I selected Ethereum. After selecting the coin, choose the correct network carefully. Make sure the network matches the sender's network. Choosing the wrong network can result in loss of funds. Once the network is selected, your wallet address will appear in QR code and text form. Tap on the copy icon to copy the wallet address. Your Binance wallet address is now successfully copied. And that's it. This is how you can easily copy your Binance wallet address. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more Binance or crypto tutorials.